I think of doctors, astronauts, scientists.
I think of the periodic table of elements.
I think of cool things.
Explosions.
Nature. Any animals.
All the experiments we do.
Any kind of scopes.
If you do a Google image search on science kits for girls, you'll notice an abundance of pink and sparkly products aimed at making beauty products. By contrast, the physics and chemistry kits are targeted to boys. Well, girls are perceptive. They internalize these social cues and over time begin to lose confidence and interest in science.
The scientists and moms, we want girls to have all the opportunities in the world, to know that they can do and be anything they want. We started Yellow Scope in Portland, Oregon to catch girls while they're still enthusiastic about science in the late elementary school years, hook them on science and help build their confidence. Our first kit is a chemistry kit. It focuses on chemical reactions, molecular motion, and the effect of temperature. They're very hands-on, exciting experiments for the girls to see.
We made the perfect product. We ran our Kickstarter campaign and retailers started asking us about getting case packs sent to their stores. We were shocked at the cost to actually ship a case. So I started doing a lot of homework and realized that FedEx would be a really good partner for us. So I signed up for ShipStation, got the small business discount, and we've been using FedEx ever since.
Our peak season is definitely the fourth quarter, right around the holidays. We do 60 to 75% of our sales during that time.
We're currently in about 600 stores throughout the United States and Canada with hopes and plans to sell throughout the entire world.
We're hearing from girls themselves that they're really loving science, that they're coming back to it again and again. There was a girl who's 9 years old. She was working on the kit and her mentor walked in and said, "I like it, you're playing a chemist." And she said, "I'm not playing a chemist, I am a chemist." That for us really embodies exactly what we want. We want girls to feel confident and know that in fact they are a scientist, they are a chemist.
Not really.
No. No. No.
It's not a competition.
I think a scientist can be any gender.
They can be women too.
Because everyone has different talents. We're all equal. Like Marie Curie, she was the only woman to receive 2 Nobel Prizes in 2 different categories, physics and in chemistry.
Girls are so smart, their brains might explode one day. If they're so smart.